Hi, One Rental at a Time community. This is Jacqueline over at Hemlane. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if a property manager and a software had a baby? Well, let me show you. So, we're a hybrid property management solution. And what that means is you're able to market your property to 30 plus websites and do your entire vetting process through our platform. If you didn't want to do it yourself, no worries at all. We can connect you to a local leasing agent or use our in house tenant placement service as well. And when it comes to rent collection, you can actually set it up so that it's automated every single month and you don't need to bug all of your tenants for their rent. You can also track all of your financials through there so you're always up to date. And my favorite part is that we offer 24/7 support for all of your repair and maintenance requests. If you're anything like me and your tenants bug you in the middle of the night, this will definitely be helpful because we have a full team of humans on top of it. Yes, humans. I would show you what all of this looks like, but we don't just give that out for free. I'm kidding. We totally do. Make sure to book a call with somebody on our team so they can show you everything at Hemlane.